Hi guys, welcome to Kima Network. I am your presenter Abu Fofana. Today I'll be taking you through a tutorial on basic electronic, and the question given to us says find the node voltage V for this circuit. So we are going to analyze this circuit to find the node voltage. First of all, we have some laws that govern us in basic electronics. And to solve this problem, they ask for node voltage. So definitely we are going to solve it using nodal analysis. And for nodal analysis, it is a mathematical calculation or mathematical explanations that usually deal with voltage calculation. So for this, we'll analyze it using the nodal analysis. So for this question, we know that V, it represents the voltage, and for normal of basic electronic, we say the voltage is equals to the current, which is represented by I, times the resistor. Alright? So within this circuit, we have a current flowing through because this is our conductor. This is our electrical circuit. So current is flowing through this circuit. But we don't need the current now. We are asked to find the voltage. So we are going to solve for the voltage. And for this circuit, we have the voltage here, which is 10 volt, and we have V here, the unknown value. We're having so many resistors, 1, 2, 3. So the first thing we do, we know that for a voltage, R or R, for R, which is the current, is the voltage over the resistor. And for the resistor, we have the voltage over the current. So with this analysis, we are going to use this to solve this question. Alright? So looking at the terminal, we have a positive and negative. So it means current flow from the negative terminal to the positive. And that defines the current in basic electronics. Because if we discuss about current, it says that the flow of electron from the negative region to the positive region is what we consider to be current. So let's assume here the current in this circuit is R1. Alright? So if it comes here, we have current will come this way, current will go this way. So we'll consider this to be R2, we'll consider this to be R3. Alright? So we already know that for current R, in order to find the current here, R1 is equals to, since the current is flowing from this region, from negative to positive, from the particular circuit given to us, the current value will be minus 10 plus this voltage at this point, V, all divided by the resistor, R. The reason is that in our formula we say that voltage over R represents current. And for this R1 value, we have the change, the difference between the two voltages with respect to the resistor here. 10 minus 10, because this is negative, minus 10 plus this, we get minus 10 plus V, all divided by 2 for R1. The next point is, we need R2, alright? So R2 is equals to, for this point, R2 is coming this way, alright? So we get V all over 1. V all over 1, the same thing, which is the voltage of the resistor. Alright? R3. R3 is coming this way. So we know that this voltage minus this voltage, because this voltage here is negative. If you can see, from positive, the terminal is from positive to negative. So we have V minus 7 all divided by 3 with respect to that resistor value. So now we have analyzed this circuit. The next point here is just a basic algebra. Alright? So in basic electronics, the algebration of R1, R2, R3 should be equal to 0. Alright? So say R1 plus R2 plus R3 should be equal to 0. But remember, we are asked to find the node voltage. Alright? So since we are asked to find the node voltage, what we do, we know that R1 is already this. So you just replace, we are substituting value. Okay? So we have minus 10 plus V all divided by 2 plus V over 1 plus V minus 7 all over 3 should be equal to 0. Alright? So this is very easy for us to solve. Alright. For this question, what we need to do is we find the least common denominator. So the least common denominator is 6. Okay? This and this and this is 6. Alright. Now the next thing is 2 go into this 3 times, multiply by all the value of. So we get 3 parentheses open minus 10 plus V, the closest, plus 1 go into this 6 times. So we get 6 multiplied by this, we get V, 6V, plus 3 into 6 2 times, multiplied by the numerator, we get 2 parentheses open V minus 7. The closest or equal to 0. Alright? So we come this sharp. We get simplify this. We get minus 30 plus 3V plus 6V plus 2V minus 14 should be equal to 0 all divided by 6. So this is a common, this is a proportion, right? You multiply this by this because we don't need this in the denominator. So when you multiply this by this, the entire thing goes to 0. So we have minus 3, 0 plus 3V plus 6V plus 2V minus 14 equals to 0. Alright? So the next thing is we want to collect latents. We get minus this and this. They are minus, meaning you maintain the sign and add the both of them. So you get 44. Okay? Plus the sum of this, this, and this. You have 11V. Okay? Should be equals to 0. Now, since this is 44, we don't need this here. We send it across. That's the only way we will satisfy this equation to find the value of V. So we get 11V equals to 0 plus 44. 11V equals to 44. Alright? So the next thing, you divide both sides by 11. Divide both sides by 11. Divide both sides by 11. This and this cancel. So V is equals to this into this 4 times. So the answer is 4. But don't forget, we are asked to find nodal voltage. Even though we have V here, the unit is also V. So, therefore, the V voltage, the V is equal to 4 volt. So, thank you very much for listening to all. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We love you all. Thank you very much.